Hey everybody, welcome back to Cool Cat's Garage. It's good to have you. So let's get into it. Ernst Manufacturing sent me out a couple of products to review, and I already used their products on my wrenches, and I love them. I've been using them for years. They're good, they're high quality, and they're really affordable. So the first thing they sent me is a 14-piece divided in two 7-slot sections. Is the Ernst screwdriver holder. So you could either put it in a tray, you can attach magnets or double-sided tape, however you want to do it. But pretty nice. It's pretty flexible. So there's that. The part number on this one is 6040A. 14-piece low-profile screwdriver rail set. Here's that. Pretty nice. The next item we can all use, no I can, is a 3-divider tray. It's about, on the length it's about almost 10 3/4, and on the width it's about just a little under 10 1/2. It's really sturdy. To be honest with you, for Father's Day, my family got me a snap-on one in black, and this is every bit as good as that or better, and a whole lot less money for you. Another cool fact about this company is everything is made here in the United States. That's enough right there, right? Lifetime warranty. You got a problem, they'll take care of it. No questions asked. The next item that I've had in my Amazon cart forever is this, what they call the Pit Boss, and it's pretty nice. I've been wanting for a long time. It'll hold 90 bits. It's got slots for your adapters to fit in there, and I just happen to have a couple to show you. So here's the first adapter. It just snaps in, and then your bits. And they fit really nice. It is not magnetic, but it is precision cut to fit these perfectly. And they're not that easy to get out. So yeah, it fits, got slots for 90 of them. And let's just open it up. Oh, there we go. So we can fit these. What do we got here? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can fit 24 adapters, or however you want to use it. It's great. It'll free up a lot of room, let me tell you. But I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm really appreciative of them sending me out a product that I already trust, that I trust in, and that is made right there, folks. Made in the USA. Can't beat that. Well, that's pretty much all I got to say. Although they have been in business since 1981, their founder is Greg Ernst, and they've been rocking it out ever since. So thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So from my garage to yours, thank you for watching Cool Cat's Garage.